What is going on, guys? Back here with another video. I know you probably noticed I got a little clean shave. Anyway, I gotta run to town to PetSense and get a heater for my fish tank because I don't think my heaters are working. The water's cold and my fish are starting to die, and I can't let that happen. So let's get to the store so I can get me a heater. Alright, so here I'm at PetSense. About to go in here and look at some heaters. Let's get to it, boy.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you need help with anything?
Alright guys, so here we are. There's the heaters. This is a 200 watt one. They're up to 75 gallons, so I think... Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna get this.
See you.
No, it's okay.
Alright, have a good day.
Thank you. Alright, so I got my heater. Let's head home and get this in the tank, start warming that water up. And I think I'm going to drain it today and move the fish out so I can clean it, get those rocks cleaned, and then I can get them back in there and fill the tank up and have it looking all pretty and give you guys a kind of a look. I also want to get in there and I want to move some of the decorations around, you know, do something a little different. I like to change it up a little bit every now and then, but my main concern is to warm that water up. So let's get to the house and get that water warm. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Let's get in here and put this heater in here. Hey man, look, you gotta see this. Got the taco soup cooking, man. Look at that, guys. This stuff looks delicious. Alright guys, so I got this stuff soaking in some hot water and I've been spraying it down with this. You can use bleach. Just remember, if you use bleach, rinse your stuff thoroughly. Very, very thoroughly. Make sure there's no bleach. It will kill your fish. I'm just gonna let this stuff soak. Then I'm gonna come back and scrub it all. Just try to get all the gunk off. See all that? It's all fish poop. Let you guys look at my tank a little bit. Alright guys, so I got this pump right here. I'm going to use to pump the water out. Connected two hoses right here. So I'm going to be draining it into that tank right there. This guy right here is my Pleco. I've had him since day one moving here, and he has grown a lot since then. This is a Chinese algae eater. He's gotten big. They're supposed to get 10 inches, but I guess being in there with all these other fish kind of stunted his growth. Because I used to have like 60 fish in there. The two there in the middle, that's tetras, and the rest are rainbow sharks. The striped fish there, it's loach. I've got two like that, and one is like a solid brown color. There's all my decorations piled up. I'm probably going to take these rocks and shove them to one side, and then put a lot of the vegetation on one side, and kind of, you know, a little bit of vegetation on the other side and some rocks and stuff. Kind of change it up, make it look pretty. Alright guys, so it's nearly empty. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to stir all this up and then let the pump just suck it all out. I got about that much water left. Alright, so you see my hose running in there. I got that running to a pump sitting in a bucket. So I'm going to run buckets of water to this bucket of water that are at a good temperature to start warming this tank up a little faster. So let's get doing that and filling it up. Alright guys, so here's the final product. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's going to be it for today. The tank looks really good. I'm glad of how it turned out with all the decorations. So stick around you guys for more. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay warm.